Generation The Lakers have once again given us a hilarious scene reminding us why they need to be cancelled, and that is what I want to talk about here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. The SABC One drama series is known for frequently refreshing its cast and storylines to keep audiences entertained. However, Generation The Lakers often trends for negative reasons recently, most notably the questionable acting performances of some cast members. And now, a few days ago, the long-running soap became the talk of social media after viewers poked fun at one of its set. Now, on Wednesday, the 22nd of October 2025, the show posted a teaser of an upcoming episode on X, formerly known as Twitter. The clip features Ntando, who is searching for the identity of his father, alongside with Ausnokwazi Lukosi, played by the veteran actress Tina Mnumzana at a cemetery. In the scene, Ntando kneels at what he believes to be his father's grave as Ausnowanda watches. Their moment is interrupted when a woman approaches and questions why they are standing at her husband's grave. Now, social media users were quick to point out the supposed cemetery scene appeared to have been filmed indoors with a visible door in the background. Just imagine. Now, I think we can all agree, ladies and gentlemen, that this is proof that these guys have lost it. Yes, this is creativity, but who are they fooling? Because even an ignorant person like me can see that this is not a grave site. Kanti is Mfundevundla working alone in this thing? I mean, are you telling me that there are no young directors who can assist him to get maybe a real grave or even create one? I really refuse to believe that there's a young person who can come up with such an idea. So guys, many criticize the production team for the lack of realism, and some even call Generation The Legacy to be cancelled, comparing it to Mobango and other discontinued shows. Now, I would like to request you, ladies and gentlemen, to comment there on the comment section. Share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.